morning. That was a disgusting good morning. We're going to make breakfast.
That's not on, is it?
What it is, yeah.
Good morning.
It's a lovely morning. Well, it's not because it's cloudy, but it's a lovely morning. Now we're making eggs and bacon. Yes. This is gonna be nice. Got some egg, got some bacon, and got some sweet chili sauce. Good morning, Hero. This is my favourite dog in the world. He's just so loving. And he's off. We're going to Morpeth now.
Yeah, we are. They're really nice. Look at them. Yes. Now we're in Nula. So Metro Radio here and I think they're doing some sort of dance.
It's hot.
Oh, Heart. Sorry, Heart Radio. My mistake. Close it down. All them sweets. Wasser.
See. I got like the camera. Roxy. We're heading back now, but I think we're going to go to the beach later. Yeah.
54 going twice. Sold, lady, congratulations.
Oh, it's been sold. Gorgeous. We're going to Upton and I don't know where that is. Upton. Upton. What's it called, Mum? Upton. Yeah. I don't know what it's called still. It's a random village in the middle of nowhere, basically, but it'll be fun. We've been conned. We're going to a pub.
Have you got any money on you, Rebecca?
I've got 8 quid.
Oh, that's enough.
That's not your car. I'm going to the wrong car.
Not my car. How big are they? Oh my god. Woo!
Ah! So we're just chilling here, even though it's a beautiful day and we should be outside. But yeah.
We're on our way to the beach, but we're getting a bit lost because the sat-nav is not working. It's got a dog on my knee. Finally found the beach.
Come on. It's only took for 4 days. We're there.
It took for 4 days. Heroes, loving it.
The sea looks dead rough like, doesn't it?
Oh, it does like.
What's that like? No, it doesn't like.
Oh, like.
Does anyone else want to say like?
Like.
Like.
One more time. Like. 100 mile an hour. Come on.
obviously thinks this song is a dog. Hello. We came back from the beach because it was absolutely crazy. We've just been chilling at home, doing basically nothing. We got absolutely sandstormed, which are real sandstorms. But now we're going to the shop.
Erin, you not got sand? Yeah, yes. She went, no. And she went, actually, thought pictures of me, yeah.
And yet again, we are lost. How do you feel about this?
Very distressed.
It's very upsetting.
No GPS, so we can't find where we're going.
No GPS signal. Terrible. So it is now the night time and the kids are doing fancy dress because they want to, and I shall show you them because I'm just that nice.
Look at me, I'm Sandra.
We're playing hide and seek now, but we're in teams. I'm with Olivia and William. Erin and Josh versus us three. Anyway, we're hiding first. I've been found, they found my shadow.
I couldn't even ask.
Now they need to find my teammate. We're doing a quiz now, and we're in charge. Has everyone got their answers down?
Everyone got their answers.
Right. Is everyone ready for the next question?
Everyone ready?
Right. Question 3. Question 3. Which Spice Girl took part in an American version of Strictly Come Dancing?
Write your answer now.
Got some conferring here. Oh, I didn't know that.
Did you not?
I did. We're on the second round now. I don't know who won. Team 3 won, which was
I was in there, but now I'm a host.
now Erin's the host. We've got the Muppets, the Fatheads, and the Cable. What am I doing? Go.
So it's a hard quiz.
It's a very hard quiz. We're doing food and drink, and everyone's failing epically. I don't know if they are, but yeah.
It's very hard to pronounce.
It's really hard to pronounce. We're sitting here like oysters.
Out of the hosts, you're the only one who knows how to pronounce it.
What can I say?
In which country might you be served a stuffed pancake called a Bellini or Bellini? B-L-I-N-I.
So I finished the quiz and the Muppets won. We'll have to clean this place up because we're leaving in the morning. We have to leave by 11 o'clock. But we're going to go out for some dinner, which should be fun. But before that I need a shower and pack my bag. And that is all. We're going to sleep now, so good night. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Good night. Same. Good night.